Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make an easy and tasty Oreo cream cake. To make this cake, first we'll prepare a chocolate cake. For this, take a quarter cup of milk and then add a quarter teaspoon of vinegar to it. Mix it well and then set this aside. Then take 2 tablespoons of hot water. To this hot water, add a quarter teaspoon of instant coffee powder. Mix this well and set it aside. I have used Nescafe. You can use any instant coffee powder that you have at home. Then take a dry mixie jar and then we'll powder some Oreo biscuits. Take 5 Oreo biscuits. Break it into smaller pieces so that it will be easier to grind it into a powder, and grind it into a smooth powder like this. Then preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then we'll prepare the cake tin. I'm using a 6 inches cake tin today. This is a very small cake, so if you want a tall cake, then do use a smaller cake tin. You can use a 5 inches cake tin also. Grease this cake tin with oil or butter and place a parchment paper or a butter paper at the bottom of the tin so that your cake will come out easily and it won't stick to the pan. I have made this cake before and that time it stuck to the cake tin, so as a precaution I added a teaspoon of cocoa powder to the base of this cake tin and just spread it all across the tin so that your cake will definitely not stick and it will come out easily. Now we can start preparing the cake batter. For this, take 1 egg in a bowl. And then to this egg add about half a teaspoon of vanilla and then beat this egg nicely with a beater. Beat this egg for about 1 to 2 minutes till it's nice and fluffy. Make sure the egg is at room temperature. Once the egg is well beaten like this, then add the sugar. I'm using powdered sugar here. Add the sugar in and then mix it well along with the egg. Then add the buttermilk that we prepared earlier. Along with the buttermilk, add a little oil also. I've given all the ingredients in the description box, you can check that out. Now beat the milk, buttermilk and the oil well. Now we can start adding the dry ingredients. For this, place a sieve over the bowl and then add some all-purpose flour or maida, and then add a little baking soda, and along with the soda add a tiny pinch of salt. Then add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now with a spatula mix all of these ingredients well and then sieve it into the bowl. Then start mixing the dry ingredients along with the wet ingredients. Be gentle and mix only till all of it comes together to make a smooth batter. Don't over mix the batter. Then add the coffee mixture that we prepared earlier and mix everything together to make a smooth batter. Finally, add the powdered Oreo biscuits. Make sure there are no chunks of biscuits. Just add the powdered biscuits and mix it all together. Make it into a lump-free smooth chocolate batter. Once this is done, take the prepared cake tin and transfer the chocolate cake batter into the prepared cake tin. Tap the cake tin on the counter a few times to release any air bubbles. And then you can bake this in the preheated oven for about 18 to 20 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Each oven is different. My oven took about 20 minutes to bake this cake. Put a skewer or a toothpick in the center of the cake tin. If it comes out clean, then it is done. Otherwise, bake for a little longer. Once it is done, Remove it from the oven, wait for the cake to cool down and then remove it from the tin. If you can see, this cake is a very thin and small cake. This is why I mentioned earlier, if you want a tall cake, then bake this cake in a 5 inches cake tin. Now I'm going to cut this cake into two. Take a long serrated knife and go all along the sides of the cake. Then you can go along the insides of the cake and cut it into two halves. Then take a dry mixie jar and add 7 Oreo biscuits into it. And we're going to make a powder out of this biscuit also. This powdered biscuit, we'll be using it while we frost the cake. Again, break the biscuits into smaller pieces so that it's easier to grind it into a smooth powder. Now to frost this cake, take 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and add half a teaspoon of vanilla to it. I'm using non-dairy whipping cream. If you want, you can add 1 tablespoon of icing sugar to this whipping cream. Beat this cream for about 3 to 4 minutes till it forms nice stiff peaks. Once it forms stiff peaks, then you can add a little bit of the powdered biscuits. I'm adding 1/4 cup of the powdered Oreo biscuits. Mix this nicely along with the whipped cream. Keep this whipped cream in the refrigerator till we need it. To frost the cake, take 1/2 of the cake and soak it with sugar syrup. This is about 1/4 cup of water. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to it and heat it lightly till it makes a clear solution. Add a bit of this on the first layer of the cake and soak it well. Then add a bit of the whipped cream and spread it evenly. Now take some of the biscuits that we powdered earlier and spread it all over this first layer of cake. Then place the second layer of cake on top of this first layer and soak this layer well. I forgot to soak the top layer of cake. Add a bit more of the whipped cream and do a crumb coat of the cake. Once you finish the crumb coat, refrigerate the cake for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, bring the cake from the refrigerator, add another thick layer of whipped cream and frost the cake completely. When the cake is a little smooth, clean the cake board well. To decorate this cake, I am using a flower nozzle. You can use any nozzle of your choice and you can decorate this cake as per your wish. I just did a basic simple decoration for this cake. Finally, sprinkle the remaining powdered Oreo biscuits all over the top of the cake. So this is it, a very simple and easy Oreo cream cake is done. Now we'll cut the cake and see. This is a soft and moist and tasty Oreo chocolate cake. If your kids love Oreo biscuits, then do try this cake for their birthdays. I'm sure they'll love it. You can make this cake with any of your favorite cream biscuits. It's not that you need to make it only with Oreo biscuits. So do try out this easy Oreo cream cake. Until next time, bye bye.